This wall switch is so complicated. Oh, hi guys, what's going on? Jeff the Maintenance Man here. What is going on? This is a continuation video of taking my channel to new heights. The update. I gave everybody a couple days to, to guess, what's going on and all that. So some of the comments I got, I'm going to pull them up real quick. We're going to see who guessed what here. Let's see. Let me bring him back up, bring him back up, bring him back up. All right, channel update. So 3 days ago, I put this video up. 18 people liked it, 226 views. The first guess was by Jeff Davis because I remember him being the first. Congratulations on that. Did you get a drone? That might be awesome. Everybody's saying drone. Zachary said drone for sure with 2 up likes. Some of it's conversational stuff. Tim Boyette, he said LOL, nice vid. Did you get a Wonkavator? Sadly, I don't think I can afford one of those, and Willy Wonka and me are not on good terms right now because of that everlasting gobstopper incident. Yeah. So RJ Parker says he's guessing drone for Seabart 1987. Everybody's saying drone. Lunatech, he said growing rooftop weed. Good idea. Yeah. And Michael Lee, I'm back to work. Yeah, I'll get back to work. So oh, John, and I'm not even going to say your last name because I don't not know how to pronounce that. There's 2 up likes. Says you're going to include, again, drone footage. Don't forget to register the drone with the FAA. Good luck and have fun. So the big question y'all have right now is...
I saw you with the box. What was in the box? What's in the box? What's in the fucking box?
So, what's in the box? Dun 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 dun. Alright, guys. I'm messing with you guys. Let's see what's in the box. Let's see. Hold on. This thing's big. Just air bubbles. Airspace. Nope. Official thing. There's a micro SD card in this red bag. I don't know what that could go to. So what do y'all think it is? Let's see. Hold on. Because I already know what it is. I gotta... Okay, I think if I flip it up this way, y'all be able to see. I'm not sure. Alright, hold on. Yes, okay. It's a drone! How did you guys know? Yes, it is a drone. I'm so excited about getting this. I'm so excited about getting this drone, actually. This is a Spark Fly More combo. It's about 550 bucks, so it's not a cheap, one of those cheapy drones, but it is one of the cheaper ones that DJI makes. This is the little sister or little brother, have you, of the Mavic. So, well, let's open the box. Let's open this box. Let's see what we got inside. So I guess that's where this SD card comes into place. That's pretty cool. So a little unboxing video. I don't usually do this unless it's something special or whatever. So it sure is packaged well. My cat is already that would have been funny if I put my cat in the box and then unboxed my cat. I don't want to She loves cardboard. She's in there tearing up. What are you tearing up in there? Stop. Might be my warranty information. Now you can tear up anything you want. Alright, let's see. Oh, come on. There we go. Dun, 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 dun. So, the Fly More pack comes with this nice little drone carrying case here. There's something already inside of it. Hope it's not the drone. The controller. God dang, man. I'm not good at these unboxing videos, so the controller, that's why you want to get the Fly More combo. You get I can go out about 1.5 miles with this controller. Little tiny controller, and I gotta say, this feels high quality. There's speakers in the bottom of it. Wow. Okay, cool. I mean, guys, I'm definitely gonna have to and I'm gonna take your advice there, John, and yes, I am going to register this with the FAA. So, but you know, there's the battery pack charger thing here with 2 USB charge things. There's the prop guards. No need to really show y'all this. If y'all look up, I mean, there's hundreds of videos on an unboxing kind of thing. I suck at doing unboxing shit, but let's take a look at the drone. It comes in a hard case. It's wow, it's kind of soft but hard. That's cool. And then there's, I assume, wow, Jesus Christ. Whoa, all that is books. Dear God. Alright, I assume there's some batteries in there somewhere. But let's get this little baby out of here. Oh, it's so cute. Oh yeah, there's a battery for it. Tiny little thing. Wow, this is smaller than I thought. I see it on the... Check this out, guys. Wow. Wow, it's kind of heavier than I thought it would be. Look at that little thing. It probably looks huge on your thing, but wow, this is cool. That is a lot smaller than I thought it was. Wow. Guys, you gotta excuse me, but I'm kind of amazed by this. This is... thing's tiny. For all it does, it's so smart. It has a gimbal in the top right here that goes this way and up and down to help. It gives you stable video and stuff, and hopefully I'll be able to bring out some stable video. Oh wow, that is just... That's smaller than I thought it was going to be the size of my phone. My phone covers this thing up. That's crazy. But this thing, let me go over this real quick. While we still have some time, I guess, and not getting too bored. But this thing, it can do 3D mapping. It can, it's labeled as a selfie drone. It does a lot more than that. I would rather have this than the Maverick, to tell you the truth, because the Maverick is pretty much, you pilot it. This one has smart functions. You can control it with your hand. You don't even need a controller. There's 3 different ways you can control it: with the controller, with your phone, with the app, and the your hands. So did a lot of research before I invested $500 in a flying laptop. But this thing's tiny. Look, that's my hand, guys. My hand. I could touch every propeller on this with my hand. That's how big that's how big the whole drone is. That's just crazy. So if I was to double press on the back right now, it would, once I get it registered in the app and all that, I have a lot of setting up to do before I bring y'all footage from this thing. But facial recognition, so it knows I'm the owner of the drone. It'll scan my face, then it'll allow it to take off. Then I can wave at it, and it'll go up there, and I can do like the little square thing, and it'll take a selfie pic. I think in the new firmware updates and all that, and the app updates, you can put your hand out to the side and it'll start taking video for you. And then of course it can follow you, it can lock onto you and follow you wherever you go, as long as you don't trick it and go behind trees and stuff. But the only two cons that I've heard about this drone is that it doesn't have the 4K camera. I don't need a 4K camera. I don't need 4K. I mean, how many of y'all have a 4K monitor right now, you know, to even watch 4K on? So maybe a TV or something, maybe. But so I'm gonna have to set this up, register it with the FAA as a unmanned aircraft. Yes, unfortunately it's not a toy drone, and this one can go 1.5 miles. It's locked for 400 feet is the max altitude, but you can unlock that, and then you can take this thing up. I think the record on this drone was 4,400 something feet. That's almost 1 mile up. But the drone going that high, probably the battery life, and that's the other con, is the battery life only 15 minutes of flight time. So by the time you get it to where you're going or whatever, if you don't know what that is, we can't be friends. What? It'll be out of juice by the time it tries to come back down. It's got four extra props in the case and a holder for it. There's the case with the silica gel battery, and the props are up here, down there. Pretty cool, man. Pretty spanking cool. I mean, the drone was bought by the money I made off of YouTube, from you guys watching, liking, and commenting, and subscribing and stuff, which I really appreciate. The controller and the Fly More package, I probably had to put up, you know, this controller's like $120. So I put up the money for the extra money. But there is supposed to be, I thought, 2 batteries in here, but if not, that's okay. We'll have to see what else is in here. Oh, there's a battery charger, 3 battery charger, so I can charge up to 3 batteries at a time. Cool. So there's a BNR charger. There's the USB cable for it. And it just goes into this battery brick here, and this is for this battery station here. So pretty cool, and I can charge other batteries right off the brick too. So up to 5 batteries probably. I can charge the drone through the back right here where it says Spark on the back of it. That's where the SD card goes in. I'll do it later, but the SD card, and there's a USB mini to charge it while it's on the drone itself. That's pretty cool. Yeah, so joystick, got that, blah 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 blah. Nice little case, nice little case actually. I like it. I thought it would be, I thought it was going to be a bigger case because I thought the drone was a little bit bigger than what it actually is, but I'm not complaining about that. This is perfect for what I want to do at work, like, because I don't want, you know, people saying, oh look, just playing with his toys. So I might be going to work, and I'll be doing it on my days off, flying this around and making the video or whatnot, so that so I don't get in trouble or anything, because I'm there to work, you know. So yeah, I'm there to work and not to play. And if somebody sees me flying this around, they're gonna think it's a toy or whatever, but it is a toy. But where I work at, I am in the glide slope for, I was watching the jets today, and man, are they low. So I'm in like the glide slope for NSA jacks or something. So I did check Sky Map, I think it was, where it shows all the no flight zones and stuff, and we're not in a bubble that says no flight zone, but the jets are only like 1,000 feet off the ground, and they come right over our work. So, but we've had drones there before at my property from contractors doing 3D mapping and stuff. So I don't see a problem with, you know, keeping this. It won't go above 400 feet, and I'm not going to unlock it. So I'm not going to be that guy. So that's pretty cool. I mean, there you have it. So $549. There's no sense in really getting that drone unless you get the controller, because I mean, just there's really no point in it. You could control it with your phone, you know, and your phone. See how mine fits in here. Will it even fit in here? I don't know. I heard these things can be kind of tight, and these newer phones, they there we go. So you pull out on these like this, and they swivel to hold your phone. Then I'll be able to load the DJI 4 app on there, and you can control it with a controller and see what the drone sees on here. Also, you can have it where it locks onto you and all that stuff. I would recommend, if y'all want to see that, I might be doing a video on showing you the functions of the drone, but I can't be certain. So if you want to see what this drone can do, look up DJI. I'll probably put a link in the description below. DJI website or a channel that is very drone. But if you're really curious or you've never seen these before, it's amazing what this little guy could do for what it is. I mean, this little guy here. I did want to ask y'all, if you made it this far into the video without getting bored or anything, I understand. I need a name for this. You know, a girl name, boy name. I prefer, it's a machine, so you know how, well, she's not working, you know. So like a girl name or something, or a clever name for this. I was thinking Osprey, but that sounds kind of generic and weird. But yeah, this little guy, man, up to top speed of 22 miles per hour, by the way, too. So put in a comment section below what name would you name my little spark guy here, or girl, whatever. I guess we'll select a gender for that later. Guys, I really appreciate it. So I'm gonna let all this charge up overnight and everything, and then maybe tomorrow I'll do the first flight, and hopefully maybe you'll see some footage off of, you know, me playing around with the maintenance guys, showing my new toy. My boss even wants to see this. Guys, Jeff the Maintenance Man, thanks. Put it in the comment section below, please, and let me know what name to give this baby. Guys, thank you so much. It's Jeff the Maintenance Man. Thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing. I really do appreciate it. And y'all have a great day. We'll see you the next time, hopefully with some drone footage.